Let's make worms and dirt. Add 3 cups of cold milk and a 6-ounce package of instant chocolate pudding to a bowl and mix. Let the pudding sit for 10 minutes. Add several Oreo cookies to a bag, then smash them with a meat tenderizer, or just put them in a blender or a food processor. Get out several gummy worms. Add some Oreo crumbs to a cup, then add a layer of chocolate pudding. Next, add 3 or 4 gummy worms. You may need to hold them in place. Add more cookie crumbs, then more pudding, and finally more crumbs on top. There you go, worms and dirt, perfect for Halloween. Enjoy! Find the recipe on my website, inthekitchenwithmatt.com.